Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can move sections into projects, for example into Todoist mobile application. So let us begin. Alright, so let me navigate to the Todoist app on my Android phone, and what you will need to do guys is access your inbox. And here let me create a section for the sake of this tutorial by tapping into these three dots in the top right and by selecting add section. Now let me give it a name like section 3. And now guys, let me just confirm by tapping into that arrow to the right icon. So let's assume I would like to add a couple of tasks to the section. You can do that by tapping into the given task and by selecting these three dots here. So we're not here of course, but you will need to find a section here, move to, and then you can tap into section 3. Alright, so now I would like to move that section to a project. To do that, tap into these three dots here to the right, select move section, and add it to your new location. So let me go with the getting started project. And there you go, you can undo it, but only within 5 seconds. After that, that notification will disappear and your section will then be moved to your new location. So let me navigate to that project and see if the section has been moved. Here at the bottom, yeah, there it is. That's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.